Are you struggling to run R from your Mac terminal? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you think you have everything set up, but the command just doesn't work. You're not the only one who's been there. So here's the situation. One user asked how to run R from the terminal on Mac OSX. They have RStudio and the standalone R app installed, but typing R in the terminal gives them an error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. The issue often comes down to the path variable. If the terminal can't find R, it means the location of R isn't included in your path. Let's figure out how to fix that. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run R from your terminal and even how to check if it's installed correctly. To start running R from the Mac terminal, the user should first check if R is installed correctly. They can do this by typing which R in the terminal. If there is no output, it means R is not in the system's path. Next, the user needs to locate the R installation. Typically, R is installed in the Applications folder. The user should look for a folder named R or r.app. If R is found in the Applications folder, the user can add it to the path. They need to edit their bash profile. This can be done by opening the terminal and typing ning /bash profile. After editing the bash profile, the user should save the changes and exit. They can do this by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm, and finally Enter to save. Finally, the user needs to refresh the terminal for the changes to take effect. They can do this by typing source/bash profile. After that, typing R should launch the R console. Fun fact, R was named after the first names of its creators, Robert Gentleman and Ross Ihaka. So you're not just running a program, you're using a piece of history. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user faced a similar issue on macOS Big Sur. They found that the R executable was located in a specific directory. To resolve the problem, they added an alias to their .zshc script, allowing them to run R from the terminal seamlessly. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution has been provided by another user. They point out a bug in the CranR installation package that prevents the correct installation of symbolic links for R and RScript on macOS versions 20 and above. To fix this, they suggest manually creating symbolic links in the /us local /bin directory that point to the R and RScript binaries. This method is preferred over creating aliases or modifying the path variable, as it aligns with the intended installation process. For more details, you can refer to the user's linked resources. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution suggests creating symbolic links for the R and RScript binaries. This will add them to your path, allowing you to run R from the terminal. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution to run R with admin privileges on macOS involves using RStudio. First, go to your Applications folder and right-click on RStudio. Then select Show Package Contents. Next, navigate to Contents, then macOS. Open your terminal in bash mode, type sudo, and drag the RStudio executable into the terminal. Finally, press Enter to run it with admin access. Here's a pro tip. Always check your path variable if you encounter command not found errors. It can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You should now be able to run R from your terminal. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.